Happy Friday, welcome back for another video. Today I'm gonna show you how to get this style. I love this style for spring if you're looking for your next vacation hair. So this one has a bit of color, it's really gorgeous. Did a side part. This is a wavy texture, it just hit a little different. This hair will be linked in the description box for you guys. I'm gonna show you how I styled it very easily. It's very beginner friendly, of course. Get into it. Today's wig comes from Super B Wigs, and we got color. It's a beautiful 9x6 Swiss lace, 20 inch, and it is a wavy texture. The waves are so pretty, and it has a beautiful brown going through it. So pretty. You get plenty of parting space. You can adjust it without glue, and it also comes with combs in the back, a grip, and of course the drawstring, which you guys love because it really secures the wig. I love that the color at the roots are dark, and then they added the brown highlights going through. The hair is super soft, by the way. Oh, my wavy textures, I usually keep a middle part. I'm gonna switch it up and not keep the middle part. You can part this 9x6 anywhere. So you grab the string like this at the end and you pull it as tight as you need it to be. And this one has a stopper that is on the button. When you pull it and you release, it kind of holds it in place, so it's not gonna slide back down. And then after you get it as tight as you need it to be, you want to tuck this string and then pull the comb and tuck underneath your wig cap. If you missed my video last week when I detailed how to properly cut your lace, you may want to go back and check that out, because over the next few videos, I'm not going to go back over it because I have a detailed tutorial on it now. That looks so good. The hairline still not glued down, but it looks beautiful. Something like what I did last Friday when I created the soft baby hair. I'm gonna do the same thing with this because I like it. I really do. I think it turned out pretty, and I've never done that with my wavy textures before, so I'm gonna do it today. And as always, you can create your style to meet your own needs, so you don't have to do anything as far as styling like I do. But if you like what I'm doing, you can definitely copy it. So I'm bringing the parting just like that because I want it to be very deep right there. And then just kind of curve this around. So if you don't know about the 9x6, and so I look at it as the closures go up, like you got the 5x5, the 6x6, the 7x5, the 9x6, and then you have the 13x4, then 13x6, and you have full lace wig. You should go according to that when it comes to learning. The more advanced you get, then you can up the lace, because you know, usually when you have more lace, the pricing goes up too. So if you are new to wigs, you should always start off with a style that is workable for you. See that the 9x6, the lace stops about right here, so it's just a little space where you don't get any of the lace. I'm gonna take my wax stick and push this back and push this down. I'm gonna create edges. And look how that blends so well with the skin. Hope your weekend is coming along well, very well. Go ahead and just thin this out just a little bit. Take away some of the hair. I like that. It's soft, it's not too much. It looks very soft, it's not doing too much, it's giving a little bit of something. I'll flatten this down some more. I like this area to lay really flat, and that, why is that? I'm gonna have to go back over that. But so I'll just take my spray. Let's try to just flatten it as much as possible because I like it to lay flat. And already it's starting to come along very, very well. So my concealer for some reason didn't blend well today, so I'm going to go over it with a little bit of bronzer. And I talked about how to do this also this week. Usually I don't like doing it like this. And if you want this to stay and you don't want it to mess up throughout the day, I would recommend using like a lace bond glue. So a little trick I like to do is just take the spray after I have it where I want it to stay. I'll just spray very lightly. And this is going to make it hold. And just dry it down. Go in with just a little bit of water right here just to smooth everything. Get rid of the frizz. Texture doesn't have a lot of frizz. It's great for a beginner. I'm gonna go in with the Got To Be. This is a smooth and hold mousse. Just a little bit. Smooth it down. It's a great style for vacation. It's a great style for every day. Summer, spring, for sure. They did add both straps, so you get the drawstring and you get the other strap. I'm not using the strap that you can take in and out. I'm just using the drawstring right now. And as you can see, I'm still glueless around this area. And the wig is very secure. You guys, what do you think? I think it's turned out really pretty. Again, this is the Delicate Hairline Swiss Lace 9x6 lace closure. And it is 150% density and 20 inches, which stops right there on me. So I'll be sure to put this wig below in the description box. Be sure to check down there, and I will see you back in the next video.